Hello. Hello. Hello, guys. Hello, everyone. Hey. Hello. Good evening. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to another stream of Plane Shift. Our game. Yes, why not? Yup, we are here. And I think we can try to make a release, because I was checking and pretty much everything is ready. And also, while I was having dinner, I launched here the packaging, and it seems to be okay, at least the Windows packaging, and we already launched the Linux and the Mac, so we just have to refresh it pretty much, right? And then we can do it. So I think we will attempt a release. That is my idea. Now, the problem of doing a release on a Wednesday, like today, is that if something goes bad, right, I will not have really time to fix it until tomorrow evening, right? But hopefully, right, they will not be needed, right? So they will not be needed. But let's see. Let's see. 0747. Why we don't have a date? 0747 was the 10th of January. 10th of January 2025. Yeah, it is all 24. Yeah. I think we can try. With okay, so Windows, I just checked in everything. Let me just be sure. So if I update, I should get probably only the maps. No, not even, because I got them already. So this one is done. If you change persistent level, sub level, you can have mesh, you can change nav mesh, repair following you. This is done because I already checked it and is good. Update the current version number configure. This is also done because we did it already the other day when we failed the release. Yeah, 0748. So that's done already. So we can go here and say yes. New Unreal Engine version, not needed. This should be done. This is already done, right? I'm just checking every step to be sure, but all of this is already done. Because I want to flag it, right? Yep, exactly. Then so it is done. Then we launch this. So, and this I just launched it before dinner, so this is actually completed, right? Now what we have to do, we have to do this. We have to do this. Wait. Yeah. Exactly. Exactly. Okay. So we have to do this copy. Yeah, it's already there, but we'll override anyway. They are all copied over already because we actually did, you know, did that already, so it's fine. And then we do this one. Much background noise. Okay. Wait. Okay, let me know. Let me know if it's better now. Sometimes my microphone goes crazy. I don't understand exactly what happens, but I basically just unplug it and plug it again, and it works. So. Wait a second. Do we have a problem with the? Wait a second. Do we have? What is this line? I know it's that. Okay. My bad. Okay. There was a weird line, but in reality, it was just that window. Ouch. Okay, so we'll attempt a release, okay? We'll attempt a release. So 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. So that is done. And this is also done, so I'm not gonna do it again. Well, we can check, right, that inside of client release. What is that? Here. 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 Yes, we have already the files that we need. Now the only thing I have to be sure is that I didn't modify, right? I didn't modify stupidly this file. Yeah, exactly, it's been reloaded. Okay, nice. So that is also correct. Okay, good. So at this point, we can basically take this and build now the only thing that I'm thinking is if I have to redo the build data or not. Do we have to redo the build data? Yeah, maybe I will redo it just for well, I can check the files actually. The build data. The build data. So the last time we modified the build data was the 9th of March, right? So Sunday, and there is no other modification, right? There is no other modification. So the file is correct. So the files that I have, wait a second, I have too many directories open. There's too much stuff open actually. 0748, yeah, exactly. Exactly. So this file is good. We didn't change it. We didn't change the level since that day, right? We only changed other stuff. So now this is zipping up. Okay. Meanwhile on Linux, we need to understand. This one is the Mac. Right? This one is the Mac. And we need okay. I have to stop it. Okay. Okay, so on the Linux, what do we do? On the Linux, screen -R, done. CD, blah, 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 done. SVN update, doing it. Okay, skip one path, okay. I don't know what is skipping path one, what it means. I hope it's nothing. Yes. Yes. Okay, so this is done. This one we did it already, but you know what? We're gonna just unzip it again for just to be sure, right? That we don't do anything stupid. So I will unzip it again, so that we are sure that we applied it. Because yeah, testing this stuff, you know, is complex. There is none needed, none needed, none needed, none needed, none needed. Okay, we have to remake the server. Yes, we do. I don't know why my PC is kind of slow. It's kind of slow. Okay, I think it needs a reboot, probably. Okay. So we, so this is the recompilation of the server on Linux, which was done, right? But in reality, it's not done because we are restarting from where we left. Okay. Meanwhile, on Mac. So at the moment we are executing this, right? We are executing this one. Meanwhile, on Mac, same thing. So screen -R, done already. We go here, we SVN update. Oops, I didn't copy it and I failed. Okay, so this is done. This is done already. Well, actually, this is done if yeah, it is done. Then this one we will redo in the same way, because I just want to be sure that we have the latest maps, right? So we're gonna redo it. So this one we didn't do. Okay, you see? Yeah, on Mac, probably we didn't arrive to the Mac. Yeah. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to copy the maps. 0748, yeah, exactly. 312, okay, whatever. I mean, it's saying 312, but in reality, no, sorry, this one, 39, yeah, 39. We have to copy to the Mac Mini. Oh, it is there. What? Cannot find or open PS release 0748 build data. What do you mean? I see it. I deleted it. Probably I deleted it. Yes, I deleted it. Okay. Papara. So now it should do it. Yeah. I move the file. And we copy this thing. Okay. This is done. Okay, now we delete this. Fine. No problem with that. And we launch this, right? And we launch this, yes. Now the Mac release became a bit easier with the upgrade to 5.4. They fixed some stuff that was very broken. There is still stuff that is broken, but less, and so the steps are simpler. Hello, Hula. We are trying to make a release on a Wednesday. Believe it or not. So now what are we waiting for? We are waiting for we are waiting for the Linux server to be completed and for the Mac client to be completed. This is where we are at the moment. It is where we are now. The server should be pretty much done, yeah, because it's fairly quick, you see. So the server Linux is done. Also because it was already all recompiled. So in theory there is nothing, there's very little to do, right? So it should be quick because we already did all the tests. The only one that can take a bit is the Mac. I want to do a test. I want to test if I tar zip instead of bzip, what is the difference? But okay. Okay, so basically now the server is ready. Now now I have to copy 312, huh? Yeah, 312. 12th of March. Wow, time is passing so fast, my friends. It's March already. Do you think that the Russians will say yes to the peace proposal or not? I hope they say yes. Even if it's not a real peace, but anyway, is a step, right? Is a step, so let's see what they say. Okay, I'm copying the file to my machine. I don't know if there is congested traffic or what, but it takes more time to move the data from these two servers than it's very strange. I mean, it's true that I'm uploading at 34 megabyte or something. But We are receiving 300 megabytes per second. Why? Huh? What does this mean? Doesn't make any sense. Doesn't make any sense. I'm receiving at this speed. Yes, because I'm transferring. Yeah, it's correct. Because I'm transferring this file from. Yeah, it is correct. It is actually correct because I'm getting the server tar file to my machine. So when you hear the beep beep beep, it should go down drastically in 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Holy shit. That was something. Okay, so now we have the server on my machine, correct. And now I have to move it on the real production server. Okay, started. Okay, usually this takes a lot, takes like 15 minutes, I don't know why, but that server is a bit, I mean, the transfer is not very fast to that server. Okay, meanwhile, where are we? Okay, so we are doing this. And then we will have to install, we will have to do this and copy the dungeons and see if the dungeons are actually alive this time. Okay, now we do this. Even if I think that this is already done. Yeah, it is already done. Because we basically did the release already one time, but then we failed because it was not working, right? Launch bill shipping client. So we do this. Well, we do this actually, right? So we launched. So now we are building the Linux client, and we are here. Meanwhile, on Mac, it is running, right? Yeah. So we have a Mac client under build, Linux client also under build, and Linux server transferring to the real server. But it's gonna take a lot. I don't know why it's capped. I mean, it's capped again. We are capped to 5 megabits. It's kind of annoying. I think I asked already this question. What was the answer? Because I remember that I had this question some time ago. I had this question. The question was... I don't know. Is sometimes it's going slower, sometimes it's going faster, but definitely there is something metering it. I mean, I'm sure. I mean, because it's always metered at the same speed. So I'm always metered at 5.3, right? Which is not a bad speed, but obviously if you have to move, you know, like 10 gigabytes is a problem, right? I don't know why it happens, but it's very evident. The metering is exactly 5.3, right? I mean, it's not a big deal, but I mean, it just takes like 15 minutes. I mean, we can just wait. But there is a, it is metered. There's no way. It's exactly the same speed, right? So at this point, there's not much we can do. We just have to wait, right? We have to wait this to be completed, and we have to wait this to be completed. I mean, we can test more the Windows release if we want, but I don't even know what I want to test, because, you know, testing is like infinite. I'm a bit surprised that is cooking. So Linux is actually cooking, or no? No, it completed. Okay. Yeah, it was fake cooking. Okay. Okay, nice. And also the Mac is basically done. Wow, the Mac is done. The Mac finished before the Linux? That's insane. That's insane. Okay, the Mac finished. So let's just follow the steps so we don't forget anything. So we check this, right? Yes. Then we copy this server list. Then we should code sign is no more needed. This also is no more needed. They changed something in the okay, then we go here. I mean, my instructions, at least for Mac, are now 10% of what they were, right? Okay, let me do the test. Maybe we will do tar cvfz. I want to see the result, right? Compared to the bzip. So we'll call it. Do you call it usually tar z? How do you call a tar that is compressed? I don't know. Let's just call it star and GG. But I think he's not doing it. Nah, it's not compressing anything. What? Give an error? You need the Z before or what? Huh? I don't understand what it's doing. Wasn't the tar with zip? You need a specific sequence. CZVF. So you need the GZ is the. You need the Z after the C, otherwise it doesn't work. Okay. Good job. And I need to call this cheesy. Okay. Okay, I think he's probably doing it now. No, there is a Z. Wait. Yeah, because he did the thing. He added actually to a Z thingy. I mean, if it's not dramatically different, we may do it this way, but I think it will be. I think the B zip versus zip, it is different, but we will see. I mean, some of these files may be already compressed, so in reality, I don't know how much the... But usually we go down from 18 gigabytes to 6 gigabytes, so... It's taking a bit of time. I want to see the sides to see if the difference is like 100k, I think we can do it this way so you can unzip it quicker. But if it start to be like, you know, like, I don't know, 100 megabytes, and I don't know what is the threshold really that we want to set, but okay, meanwhile the Linux finished, so we can the Linux finished. Where is it? Here. So this one is done. So we have to do this. No, we have to do this, obviously. Otherwise, we're gonna do damages. And then we need to execute these commands. Right. Hello, Javi. Any info where to find Spine Dew? Only found a couple in the dungeon. I think you should wait that we really update. We do the update for the plans, which hopefully will happen soon. We are going to spawn like dozens of new plans. But yeah, no, I have no idea. Top of my head, I have no idea, but I can search it. But no, I don't recall. Okay. Okay, so in theory this is done, and at this point we only have to do the I have to do this, because here we are basically moving the files right inside the directory, so it's not a tar bomb. That's the idea. Let me see if the Mac finished. No, the Mac is still going. $48. Spine due. No, I don't remember. Anyway, it seems that the Z in the tar is working a lot, so maybe... I mean, is it applying bzip or is it applying normal zip? Linux, which zip is tar using? Anyway, it's using a normal zip algorithm, so I think bzip is stronger. I mean, if you think to the downloads as well, I think it's probably better if we bzip anyway. Right? Probably. Okay, the Mac finished, so let me see how big is this file. So we want to see how big is this file. So this file is 6.5 gigabytes. So actually it's very similar, no? 6.5. How big was the other release? Let me see if I go 7. I deleted it. Let me check on my machine. I think we have it. If we go 7 Mac, 47 Mac. Is 1 gigabyte less. Well, no, then there is no way. There is no way. This one is 5.6 gigabytes. And this one is 6.5 gigabytes, exactly the opposite, right? So now there is no comparison, right? So the bzip is so much better. I mean, it takes a lot more time, I know, but the compression is significantly better. So yeah, so I would say no. Fine. We bzip it. It takes time, but we just bzip it. I mean, it's 1 gigabyte less to download, right? So if you consider all the downloads, is significant, really. Wait a second. I think I'm messing up. This is the Mac. Yeah, this is the Mac. Okay, so that's done. This is done. And now, yeah, we were here, right? So now we will not Z, we will just normal. Let me just be sure that I didn't mess up. No, okay. Yeah, we will B-zip. It's gonna take time, but we will B-zip it. Wow, now we are meter 2.8. Holy shit, this thing is never finishing. Now is requesting 20 minutes to upload. No. Why? Oh crap. There is a limit for sure. 100%. So it would be nice if some of you could test the new release as soon as possible, because in this release I really didn't do a lot of tests, and I think it would be nice if some of you can test it on Linux, on Windows and Mac as soon as I release it, which is probably in half an hour from now or 1 hour from now, right? So that we catch any potential problems. Okay, so we are b-zipping on both sides, Mac and Linux. And in theory, these two releases are completed. We just need to zip and upload, right? The server is taking forever now, really forever. It's saying that it's taking another 20 minutes. Oh my god. Let me just check something. There was a command they gave me to actually do the test on the network performance, right? Is absolutely metered, bro. Absolutely metered. $6.7. I think I will be playing a few more hours. Okay, nice. Hopefully the release goes well. The problem is that the transfer is taking forever, right? At the moment, it went down to 2.6 megabyte per second. I don't understand. Why? It is from my machine to the production server, right? Problem is that if there is an issue, right, and we have to redo it, and if it takes like 20 minutes to move the file, is really problematic. It's really problematic. The 2B zip still running. I cannot shut down the server until I have the new server installed. Fuck, 20 minutes is really insane. I'm now metered 2.7, 2.5. It's going slower and slower. It's going slower and slower. It's going slower and slower. How do you meter the incoming connection? Let me try. Linux meter incoming FTP traffic. How do I monitor what command I need to meter it. I need to understand if there is something installed that is actually. And by the way, this is not a FTP, it's SFTP, so it's basically SSH traffic, right? Max cap. How do you call it? The cap? Limit bandwidth, yeah. Limit bandwidth. Open SSH minus L limits. Open SSH minus L. No, Open SSH doesn't work. I'm trying to understand if there is anything installed on the machine that is actually limiting our transfers, right? Oh my god. TC. Kernel modification. Holy shit. I can see if TC is even installed on that machine. These are still running, huh? No, it's not. It is not. It's going super slow. What to do? What to do? Ah, 2.3. It's going slower and slower. No. Oh my god, come on. It's going slower and slower, my boys. $7.7. He's transferring. We are at 64%. We are already 30 minutes in, right? Already 30 minutes in. Wow. Yeah. This was not planned. I mean, we have to wait anyway for the completion of the B-zip, but the B-zip will finish definitely quicker than that. Meanwhile, we can do the changelog. Yeah, let's do the changelog. Let's assume that it goes well, and we can do the changelog. Okay. Okay. Let's see what our changelog is telling us. But anyway, we have to do it. So as usual, I will be copying the so this changelog 0748. Where was the last release? Yeah. Okay, so we have this stuff, which I don't know what is it. Save interactable script property when dropping interactable. Okay, that's pretty good, but I think that you as a player are not really interested into this. Basically what this allows the dungeon, right? So dungeons and portals are now saving their properties to the server. So when the server restarts, right? When the server restarts, the portal will be immediately active. I think this one actually I have already released, but fixed the bug to prevent crashing in crafting if container is no more on the ground when transformation finishes. Okay, I think this one we already released. So, but it's just a log of everything that happened between the previous release and today. That's good. Improve the way the servers handle exit requests when encountering errors. Okay. Added a new way to spawn natural resources. Now list the location can be defined, and the server starts and location at the server start and locations will be populated. Others will be used when the player is depleted and access to spot. It's okay now depleted. This is in preparation of the plants redistribution, which will add dozens of new spots for plants, right? And this is going to happen just after this release. I mean, I'm going to work on it because now I want it done, so it will just happen. and I will do it myself. Hello, Dotted Fish. Hi. We are attempting a release, but unfortunately the transfer to the server is super slow today. And we are already 34 minutes in the transfer, and there's still like 15, but it's going slower and slower and slower. I don't know why. Doesn't want to be released, this release. Meanwhile, we are doing the change log. Now dungeon save the state on the server, disable creation or restart dungeon roller automatically. Yeah, this one basically is the same thing that I said here. And also all this stuff, right? I don't know, maybe I should create a section with the stuff that is actually already released, right? Was released as a patch on what? End of January. All the following was released as a minor patch to 0747 end of January, right? Yeah, we can maybe say this because all of this is actually already something that we already done. I mean, you already have in the game today. Fix the targeting of friend and reading defensive spells, fix sides value, fix NPC in proximity, fix increase mana ability, fix wrong message. Okay. Maybe the only thing that you may be interested is really the server stuff, the dungeon stuff, and this one. The rest I think is less important to you. Okay, after this we released, let me see, fixed infinite money exploit on faction discount. This one was also released already. Add viewer for all vector sketches. Okay, so the new thing is that we added a viewer. So let's say in PS Legacy we had the ability to create sketches from vector lines. We now added a viewer, right? A viewer to these old sketches. Or let's say you can now view the sketches also in PS Unreal. The functionality is view only at the moment, and not sure if we will also do the editing, right? I mean, at the moment is I don't know if it's really worth it. I think it was a cool functionality back in the days, but maybe. Let me see what we have here. Add a drawing path repo to store drawings. Okay, so that is so we can say added new capability to upload drawings, right? Upload drawings. You can upload a picture from your disk, from your computer. So I would say this functionality will be moderated, meaning a GM will check what you upload, and there will be zero tolerance on bad things, right? You know what they are. You know what they are. You know what they are. So please use the function, please use the upload with roleplay in mind. So the drawing is supposed to be drawn by your character, with the technologies equal, you know, painting, brush painting or pencil, right? Of a medieval time, right? So basically what I want to say is that if you start to upload, you know, super high resolution AI generated pictures, I mean, that is not really nice, okay? So use it with you know, use it properly. Use it properly, please. Okay. Then we have fixed the wrong rotation of trap in one of the dungeon rooms. Okay, this is not very relevant, but add the new sketches functionality if you're allowed to use the view and now the old sketch you made in PS Legacy. Okay, this we said that. Yes, we also have to say this. So get your blank drawing, your blank canvas. Drawing canvas at Gios. Fix that setting. We will probably save the iTab setting. Okay. Okay. Then added Ristarindel. A new Diaboli city or village. I mean, it's not really a city, but it's a between, you know, let's say city. I mean, it's more than a village, it's less than a city, but anyway. New Diaboli city. We have an issue with splines on wrong level. No, that's solved. Other Listarindel, a new Diaboli city with original architecture and let's say the houses still need to be populated with furniture, and also we still have to add new NPC and quests, right? So the city at the moment is just, you know, a container for what will come in the future. Improve sewer textures, yes, by making those higher resolution. Add the glyph list to display description for each spell, for the spells. Well, anyway, to the spell description, I think it's understandable enough. Okay, this bzip finished and this bzip finished. Okay, so in theory we have also these other two packages. Now let's see if we can get them. Linux 0748, yeah. And Mac 0748, there it is. Okay, 7 minutes left to the server upload, which is nice. Okay, what else we did? We did some terraforming on the back of Ojaveda to allow, I mean, adding new roads. Yeah. And then we did more fixes. Then we added 2 new containers, right? Containers meaning chest, right? Chest-like. We fixed the faction, preventing the score to go above 200 or below minus 100. Fixed NPC movement is pretty good. It's pretty important. Fixed daily or day-night cycle for NPC movement, right? Which was not really working. NPC were not moving, boys. Incredible. Oh wow, there's a lot of stuff here, but it's mostly Listarindel, I guess. Add a new Diaboli lamps. Used in Listarindel. Fixed the Ojaveda guild starting point and bamboo positioning. Cormin not flying anymore. Improve layout of wind bodies, keeping invalid entries. Dark select on focus number by default. Find a way to finally avoid seeing pieces of Draken plane with login in. Blah, 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 blah. This one maybe we move it up a bit because I think this one is more relevant. Maybe we move it here. Instead of saying I would say we. We as a team, but yeah. Basically me. Fix the Ojaveda starting point, improve layout of body, stack selector, fix the significant bug on the way modifiers will apply to weapons and armor. Yeah, this one also is very relevant. So I think it should be. I think it should be here, actually. And this should be here. Yeah, those are the main functions, the main new things. Fix a login window, publicly store the username when you change it on server. Fix new player keyboard not working. Oh my god, this one should be number 1 actually. Okay. You as a team, yeah, exactly. Exactly, me as a full team of people. Okay, added 5 dialogue. Yeah, so it is also important. So we changed the way. So let's say change the way we select. I think wait, maybe I mentioned it. Yeah, it's mentioned later. Okay, it's mentioned in another thing. Okay, we are nearly done. There is still this. Stop the auto scrolling in chat when scrolling up. Audible notification when your name is mentioned in chat. Highlight of text when your name is mentioned in chat. Sketch widget side adapt to the sketch content. Fix limit for drawing import. This one maybe we can say. By the way, I didn't. No, we did it. Change the music score to use open file directly and not predefined directory. Yeah, exactly. Okay, that's all, guys. That's basically all. That is basically all. That is basically all we have in the log. Wow, the server is at 96% finally. Nearly done. 2 minutes. Wow, 2 minutes for how much? Like 20 megabytes? Okay, I think we can announce that the server will go down. We announce server going down. Anyway, it's a good change log. There is a lot of stuff, so happy about it. You as a team. Well, you did a bit though. You did some textures, right? So there's been someone else in this release at least. You're welcome. And then we have to remember to add the drawing to JOs, huh? And also to configure the drawing directory. So there may be still a bit to do, but let's see. Okay, so we just do a server quit 3. We will just announce that server going down, server going, going down for release, take two, and crossing fingers. I actually need to find out how to get a mount so I don't have to run hours. Yeah, exactly. Ask the players, ask the people in the game, they will tell you. With the mount is way faster. I mean, it's going like double your speed, so I don't remember if it's exactly double, but anyways, is way faster. Also, you can sprint on a mount, right? And that is even faster. And until I put some restriction for stamina on the mount, which maybe one day will be there, you can go limitless, right? Maybe just give him some food when you can. There is a stone here in the middle of the road. I didn't remember. Okay, so the server is going down in 3 minutes. 3 minutes just to allow the people to finish what they are doing. Hopefully, and then we will see if we can make this release. What time is it? 11? Yeah, we have the time. We have everything ready, so. I have to move this to them. 20 seconds. Going down. Bye. Boom. And it's down. Okay. So what do we have to do? So what do we have to do? The first thing, we need to upgrade the server, right? So basically this is done now, and this is done as well. Okay, so what do we have to do? We have on Linux. Okay, copy the dungeons. I don't know, these dungeons sometimes are disappearing. I don't understand why, but okay, now for example is there, right? Now it's there. Now the dungeon is there. So I copied under install, right? So basically I do a copy of this thing, right? And if I do this, hopefully it's there, right? Yes, it's here. Then we just delete completely the server after having because the drawing directory is outside of this, right? So I can delete that without any issue, because the drawing directory is actually a parallel directory outside of this, which is here, is under PS Unreal data, which at the moment I think is empty because we didn't even do a test, but fine. Okay, so yep. So we will unzip the new server. Then we copy what we need to copy, which basically are the launch commands and all that stuff. We copy the configuration files, and now I just have to check that in this file. Just a second, because here there are passwords and other stuff. Yes, we have the drawing repo. Exactly. Okay, so now we do this, and now we do this. We put the dungeons back, right? Put the dungeons back, and then we start the server, right? Database wise, I think the only thing I have to do, I have to add back to JOs. Yeah, let's do it now. I have to add back to JOs the blank drawing. JOs items. drawing, right? Yeah, exactly. It's not there, but if I go maps, blank drawing, add. Yeah, this music is the music of a game that is named Pine, which is pretty much, I mean, kind of an unknown game, but I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. Was on Epic, and yeah, it's this one. I mean, it's kind of a simple game, you know, with a bit of a story, bit of fighting, bit of exploration, mostly exploration. But the music is absolutely fantastic. It's very nice, gorgeous music, and it's the one that you are listening now. Yeah, it was very nice game. If you can find it free, because I think they are giving it for free sometimes. If not, you can also pay for it. Why not? And support the developers. But yeah, it's a very nice game. Simple, simple game. So a simple game. So, but cool one. You know what I have to do? I have to check in like a random file just to say that now we are in. What can I change? I can change. I can change our updater schema. Maybe. Yeah, let's do this. I will change this file. I will change this file and I will check it in. Commit. So we can just name, because I want to keep track on the SVN when is the release, right? So we just check this dummy file. Okay. Nice. Okay, so in theory we have that as well. We are very close. We are very close to know if this thing works or not. We are very close. Very close. I hope it does, because redo everything is always a pain. But it may happen, right? That I forget some stuff. Okay. Okay, now we start the boom. Where is it? Lost it. What? I lost it. Did I close it? Oh no, it's here. Okay. So with this done, we can just launch it, right? We can just launch it. Yeah. Okay. So the server is going back up, but obviously you do not have the files yet, right? The client files yet. But I will give it to you in a second. So we are going to upload. Well, you know what I will do? I will. I will give you the URL so you can download it. And then I will update the main pages just after. But yeah, you can start to download it from here. That is the Windows one. And it is the Linux one. Now I assume that none of you is on Mac as usual, but yeah, if you want to download the Windows or the Linux, depending on your platform, you can start to download it, and so then we can do a test. Okay. Meanwhile, I will test it from my side here. And I just have to remember to do few things. Yes, we need to go to the updater and actually tell the update. So basically, let me go here and see what we have done, right? So the this build is done. This build is done. This is not needed at the moment. We can flag it as done, but it's not needed. This is done. This is done. This is done. This is done, this is done, and this is done. Now, server install, we just finished. Database upgrade, we just finished. And now we do the first server test. Now, after that, wait a second, because I saw a big error. What was that? Ah, no, it's okay. It's fine. It's perfectly fine. Yeah, I just have to go to the updater. Updater is another machine. Is another machine. Yeah, it's another machine. Believe it or not. Now the updater is a crazy password that is like 25 characters, which is impossible for me to remember. So I have to do this for a second, because I have to copy it. The problem is that is not on this machine. 1 second. This machine is actually down, so I have to turn it on. I have to turn it on again. And let's see if I have this open. Okay, this is good. Okay. Yeah, that machine is kind of locked. I mean, it's a bit of a mess to actually get that information, but I will get to it in a second. Hopefully. Yes. It timed out nicely. Okay, we are in. Okay, we are in, and so I can restore the view. Okay. So yeah, we are in. So the in the updater, what I have to do, updater, what I have to do in the updater is to change. I don't know if I actually have the. Did I? No, eh? Ah, yes, it's here. This is the file. This is the file. Okay. Maybe we can delete all these old versions actually. You know, there is version 7.29, 7. Completely useless. No one is updating from those old releases, I assume. Okay, so we just have to copy this line, make it 48, and we have to just say that this version cannot be updated, right? So I will copy this, can update, no. Okay, so basically now if you launch your old client, it will tell you that you have to update, right? It will tell you that you have to update. Okay, now drum roll. No, that is the old version. Oh wow, I can connect with the old version. What the fuck? Wait a second. I can connect with the old version? No. It will tell me that. Now it will tell, because I was already in, I guess. Yeah, now it will tell me that you cannot. Right, and it sent you to the download page. Okay, nice. Nice. But in theory you can connect, because we didn't change anything so dramatic, so you can connect with the old one, but now it's locked. Okay, now this is 0748. Crossing fingers. Yeah, here the loading is slightly different because we are now not loading anymore the Draken plane, which was wrongly loaded. So you will see a bit of that empty blue thing for a bit, right? I may improve it in the future, but yeah, exactly. The launcher should block you and send you to the. Okay, I'm in and connected. Now, if there is anyone on Linux that can test, it would be nice, and then someone on Mac. So let's post the. Let me go to Jayos 1 second so that we see if he's selling the maps. No, not train. Yeah, blank drawing, right? I don't know if I already have it in my inventory actually. Yes, we already have it. Okay, let me try to create, but now I want to do something that is actually meaningful. This shit is not really meaningful, but anyway. I don't have a drawing made by me, so I will upload a fish. Okay, seems that it's working. Okay, nice. If I save it, right, this fish will go. Okay, now if I launch, let's launch another client. And I will try to give the drawing to this other character and see if he can see it, right? If he can see it, basically everything works for drawings. Full download, yes, full download, Javi. Because we changed so much. Because whenever we do changes to the land significantly, we are basically touching every file and but anyway, you know, our full download is smaller than a typical game update these days, right? So our full download is 6 gigabytes, and sometimes you get 20 gigabytes update in normal games, so So I think it's reasonable. What was that? Ah, there was the sound because the teleport had the name on it. Okay, nice. I see. I will give you my drawing. Talat gave. Didn't think about that. Okay. So if you're giving, yeah, okay, anyway, it's fine. Okay, now the way it works, okay, let me show you the way it works, right? Because now with this character, we have a drawing, right, made by someone else. And we do not have the drawings yet in our cache. So the first time that you right click on it, because I'm on the same machine. Yeah, but because I'm on the same PC. So yes, it is in the cache. But in theory, it will not be there, right? So it will say, well, we can delete it so that, yeah, let's delete it actually. If I delete it, in this case, I have to delete it from where? I have to delete it from here, right? Because, oh wow, I have many. But anyways, this last one, right? So if I delete this last one, no, it was not that one actually. They were not ordered by as this one. Okay, anyway, it's the same. So now I am like a new player, right? It doesn't have this in the cache. So you right click on the drawing and it's telling you download in drawing. Unfortunately, I cannot tell you when the download is completed because it's too complex, right? But basically after you, yeah, I have to update the main website. Can you click on the link that is just above? I still have to update the main website. I will do it in a second. I will do it now. Okay, you see it works. Okay, we have to upload, yeah, we have to do that change. So we need to change the download page. We have to change the download page. Good point. Which by the way is listed in my steps, but I was just testing a bit, right? Just to see if, you know, this thing is working or not. Seems to be working. So we go www. This I can close by the way. www. New page. You know, normal companies, you know, have like a publishing team, a testing team, you know, a release team. We don't have, so I have to do everything myself. So I'm updating the page as soon as I can. Yeah, download. Okay, so we replace 0747 0748 okay, now I need the checksums, right? So we upload also the checksums. Yeah, anyway, a release on a Wednesday is a bit risky because if something goes bad, I have zero time. Like I have 3/4 of an hour and then I have to go. But okay, so what are we doing here? I have to go. Yeah, you have me. True. So we have to get the... But I'm pretty confident that one day more people will join. So you will not have me only in the future. I think that there will be a moment where someone, you know, will join and will develop with me. I mean, it happened already in the past, will happen again in the future. I'm pretty sure. I have to go in this directory. Client. Yeah, maybe this I should have done it before, but in terms of a sequence, but shipping client. Shipping client, exactly. Okay. So now we can get the MD5 of these things. Wow, it's taking all the time. Let me see if someone already connected. No. When it says your name, yeah, obviously all like yeah. Okay, anyway, fine. Yeah, I may have to tweak a few things on the name on the name, because when you do a command like who, obviously your name is there, and so it shows it in pink, but fine. In purple, actually. Okay, so we have the MD5. And so now I can place this MD5 on the page. Then we have to publish the news and everything. No, this is not the Linux one. Windows, yeah. Okay, so that is the... we also need a screenshot. We need a screenshot for the new release. I can also do it tomorrow. I mean, I can also do the screenshot and the stuff. I can also do it tomorrow. I mean, it's not that, you know. No one is chasing us. Okay. So now the download page is ready. I can upload it. I can upload it to the main website. Storage pages. Okay. Okay, so now the main website, it should be, if you're going to download, there should be the new links, and yeah, there are the new links, also the new MD5, so everything is ready. Will be nice to have a test on Linux and Mac to see if the new release works as expected. Okay, now what we can do, we can create the article, but I need a picture. Well, okay, the picture is easy. It's obviously the picture of List Arindel. I have to change this because now my release client is another one. So wait, no, I have to do it differently. I have to do this, yes, this, and this. 48. Okay. Okay, now it disappeared. Yes, it does it this way because it's a different executable. So we'll pin it again and we will move it here again. Okay. Okay, good. So what I have to do now. Yeah, we will add a better loading screen. Yeah, I think we can add a better loading screen instead of the empty thing. But we will. But now it's not that relevant. What I wanted to do, yes, we have to create the article for the new thing, and so I have to take a picture. A screenshot that we use. Yeah, anyway, I should do releases on the weekend because doing it like this is just a bit rushed, but we managed to do it. I'm happy about that. Oh, there is someone here. Oh, it's Durok. You see, now NPC are moving around. Okay, so maybe the picture could be the statue. Why not? Maybe the picture can be the statue and the building, or the picture can be, yeah, why not? Wait, let me remove the torch because it's generating a bit of unnecessary noise. Yeah, I think this one is not bad. So it's not showing too much of the... Or I can... Yeah, it's not the best screenshot. Wait. Bro, you're freaking X. Thank you. I think something like this is okay. Okay, so we screenshot this. I don't want to show too much in the screenshot so that people can discover it, right? I think it would be nice that they go there and they don't know what to expect, right? I think it's nicer than just showing the whole city from the top so they know exactly. Also, they need to find it, by the way, because they don't know where is it, right? Also, you don't know where is it, so you will have to find it. I can tell you it is northwest of Idla, that I can tell you. but it's pretty far. I mean, it's kind of far, yeah. But there is a road going there, so if you follow all the roads, you will find it. Let me launch a small challenge. Let's see who will be the one to find the new Diaboli city. Post a screenshot when you are there. Okay, so we have the screenshot. The only thing I need to do, I need to add the Unreal Engine logo, because we always did it this way. I think a black one can be fine. Hello? Wow. My machine is kind of suffering from some... Okay. Okay, we put the logo there, and the Unreal Engine logo, and we should put maybe also a plane shift logo, but... So let's see if we have a picture of the day. Yeah, we have a picture of the day. Picture of the day is 70. So let's see if we have WW. No. There is a bit of manual work, guys. Yeah, so it's a bit of a go here, go there, upload files, post news. You know. Picture of the day. Let's see. 70. We have 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. We are missing 78. Okay, so it will be 78. It will be 78. Okay. Do I have a limit FPS or not? Because yeah, I have it actually. Okay. Feels a bit heavy. Okay, so we have the picture of the day, which is 78. So we have to upload it to the website. And this will be the picture that we use in the news. So if I go under storage elements, picture of the day, copy this, and now we go under storage articles and we create a new article, 25. Copy this. 39. There is 48. Is the 0312. There is 78, and we will have a new. Good news! Another release is ready for download. Enjoy! Okay, so this list can be updated. No, cannot be updated. Cannot be updated through the PS launcher. Except for Mac. Yes. So please download it from our download page. Another list of changes for 0748. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go. We have the change log because we are super prepared, boys. We are super prepared. So boom. And well, I can just copy all actually. And boom. And then BR. Which is the next line, right? Go to the next line. Okay, done. So we can upload this, but I also want to make a post on the forums. Articles 25. So I will, okay, here it is. So our post is there, but it's pointing to the old forum post. I want to create a new one so that we have a clean new post. New topic. We will call it modify. So if you want to post something on the forum, you also have a space there to post it. Why not? It doesn't cost me much time, so it's reasonable to do. 78. We just copy the text from the main web page. Well, in theory, yes. Oh wait, it was already like that, yeah. 0748. Can delete all of this. Boom. Let me make this a bit bigger, so. Okay. Here is the list of changes for 0748. All of this. Boom. And then we do maybe just for this one we do a bold and bold. Okay. I think we can post. Let me see how it looks. Looks okay. So now we take this small number here and we put it back in our page. We resave and we re-upload this. Okay, and now the website will point to the new topic, right? Yes, you see there is write a comment. Okay, nice. Okay, let me check my list of things to do. Allow update. This is done. We basically disabled it, but we didn't allow the update. But done. Test the server. We tested it a bit. I tested myself. Upload the binaries, done. Plain sheet for IT download page, done. News, done. I have to do Discord, Patreon, and then I have to add to the bug tracker the new version. Ready to. Yes. I also have to move all the ready to test. Yeah, exactly. Okay, let's do the announcement on Discord, so that everyone gets the news. Yes, you were too quick. Yeah, this guy was too quick. Okay, announcements. Let's go. Everyone. Good news, another release is ready for download. Enjoy. There is a new city to explore. New possibilities for sketches and drawings. What are the main ones? Sketches and drawings, new city, and a lot of fixes. And a bunch of fixes. You can read the detail log here. Okay. And then we post this picture as that. Done. Boom. I pinged you on Discord right now. Wait, I have to do this. Okay. Nice. So the Discord is done. I have to do the Patreon. So also Patreons are going to know that the release is there. Let me see. Yeah, sorry, on Patreon I'm not posting enough, I know, but I'm still one man, two hands, so I would like to post more, but it's not that easy. Okay, I'm just posting there 1 second. I will also put this link so that it is a bit easier for our Patreons to get there, and I will add this image. Okay, we're nearly done. We are nearly done. Nearly done. 11:42. So it is possible to do it on the fly. Okay. This one is actually public. Yeah, let's make it public. Okay, so let's go to our. That's done. So I did also the Discord. Discord and Patreon. So this is done, done, and done. I still have to do one thing, which is to go to the bug tracker and actually update the version. So I have to go manage project versions. I have to add a new version, which is 0748, and add the new, and then I have to put this one as past and click on update. Okay, so you can now report bugs on that, and then I have to do this. I have to check. So all the bugs that are actually fixed pending release, they should be moved to ready to test, right? So yeah, it's 1 million. Anyway, I will do it. I will do it. Because now we released, and so all the fixed pending release are now ready to test, right? I think it's a good change. I mean, it's good to do this, because otherwise people are confused, right, of why. The problem is that we have 1 million. I mean, we have 1 million because I fixed a lot of stuff. Let me know, guys, if you manage to connect to the game and everything works. Let me know. Okay. Yeah, it's kind of 1 million. We fixed a lot of stuff, huh? Yes, I'm doing this. I mean, it would be nice if there would be a command, you know, something that I can do automatically to move all the ready to test to all the pending release to. That would be very nice. But I mean, maybe I can do it from the database, maybe. But I don't know. I don't want to mess up. I don't want to edit the database and then, you know, something bad happens, because I'm not really sure of how this fly spray works. Okay, I think I flagged them all or not. Yeah, I flagged them all. Okay, so there are 31 bugs that can be verified. Okay, let me see if anyone is in game. if anyone already made it or not. To tick. Yeah. This will now be always purple, but it's fine because it contains your name, you know. Yeah, one guy is already in. Dentritus is already in. Let's see where he is. My head is particularly green here. I don't know why. Why my head is so green? Ah, because I was in the Draken plane? That's kind of strange though. Uh-oh. Why I'm so green? Uh-oh. That is kind of strange, huh? That scares me a bit. Let's try again. What the fuck? I saw the Draken plane anyway. Bro, I did all that mess so that we didn't see the Draken plane and we see it anyway. Unbelievable. Seriously? Okay, well, fine. Who cares? No, I'm not green. I'm definitely not green. I will have to investigate why. I will have to investigate why the Draken plane is appearing again. Considering I did all that mess to actually avoid that from showing up, and it was not showing up until few minutes ago. I mean, the last test that we did was like 20 minutes ago. It was not showing up, right? But now it showed up again. I will have to think about that. That's kind of strange, actually. I like this city anyway. Also, Javi is here. Then Tritus is here. Is in a dungeon somewhere. In complete darkness, looking at a wall, and his mount needs food. Okay, but anyway, we have two people in, so it looks like it is working. I was able to join now. Yeah, I see you. I see you. Click, click. I think I will disable that thing, but... You're cooking, huh? You're cookerinos. I see. There is still this thing on our heads, huh? Okay. Let me see if the... You don't see me because I'm invisible. Let me see if the... If the sketches are working. But they should be. Yes. Yeah, I don't understand why the Draken plane appeared again, right? Maybe it's a matter of timing, like we are not swapping fast enough. Maybe when he's in shipping, we don't swap fast enough. That's strange. So that change was, I think, inside player controller during the loading, right? No, it's not this. It's not that. I think it was all in the blueprints. Yeah, but anyway, all the stuff that we wanted to work, it seems to be working. The city's there, the sketches are working, the drawings are working. So these are the three main functionality. Everything else is fixes, right? They are fixes and small improvements. Some of the UI windows have moved. Really? They should not, but like they are not in the default position. I mean, in the position where you usually put them. I can try. I can try if there is a problem with saving the window positions. Well, it's 2 minutes to fix if they save. Fuck, the Draken plane is there again. I don't know, this Draken plane is insane. It's just reappearing always. No, it seems that they are okay, actually. Yeah, they are okay. They are saved properly. Let me just check one thing. Why this Draken plane is showing again? Because I think I fixed it. But I have 11 intelligence. Aye. Set skill. Okay. So basically the fix, right, was to have in the main level so to have in the Iliacum map, right, that we copied for sure, to have in the Iliacum map in the blueprint, right? So we loaded the podium, okay, but then I did, yes, exactly, we did the camera ref, we create a character selection widget, and then we add the we add the camera. We had one camera, right? Which was what? The uh-oh. I deleted that camera. No, it's this one. No, it's not this one. Fuck, I deleted it. Are you serious? No, it's this one. It's this one. Podium camera actor, right? In podium camera actor, we set it as, yes, exactly. Auto activate for player 0. Exactly. I remember that. Yes, this is what we did. Yes. Yes. So it's actually here. Yes, and it's on the persistent level. Yes, and it's the one that we auto activate, right? And yes. Yes, exactly. This is the one that I changed. So for some reason, right, that is unknown to me, sometimes this actually works as expected. So the camera is auto-possessed automatically, and other times is not. I don't know. I mean, that's very strange. That's very strange. I mean, I've seen it working, right? I've seen it that it was just azure, like just the blue sky, right? And nothing else. And then we were loading directly into Podium. But it seems that now, after doing it few times, maybe there is a cache kicking in, and the cache is anyway bringing back that level. You see, it appears again. Fuck. It appears again. So it's actually loaded. Do we get an error or something on the camera? Did we print out something when we find the camera? No, actually, no, because it's an auto possess, right? So it's an auto possess. So probably that is not working, but it's okay. It's not a critical thing. It was just a possible improvement, but it didn't work. Definitely didn't work. Oh, I can rotate the character. Yes. The okay. No, I think it's good. I think it's good, guys. I think that, I don't know. Tell me if it works. If someone can test it on Linux, it will be very good, because we need to know. I need to know if it works, or if I have to issue a patch. But yeah, we did it in 2 hours, right? I mean, everything was prepared, so pretty much everything was ready. Yeah. Not installed on Linux for me right now? What do you mean? You mean there is a problem with the Linux install, or just you didn't install it? By the way, I don't know if you know, but there are actually 2 sets of sounds preset. So if you switch to the other sound preset, I don't have a Linux game machine. Okay. If you switch to the other sound preset, all the sounds are a bit weird, but they are like interesting. Like bop. Bop, you see? And on this one, you get a very strong, because someone asked a very strong chat notification. You get this one. Well, not very strong, but for sure stronger, right? Piri playing. You get it for the tell, and you get it for the... So you get this. Yeah, it's slightly different. Bop. If you use variation 1, if you use default, is the one that we did, yeah, that we use all the time. Okay, guys, I think that's all for today. We have a new release. I'm pretty happy, so I think we can declare it a victory. Yeah, it's doing the bling bling every time you do an emote. No. Yeah. I see. Yeah, when you do an emote, considering there is your name in it, the chat notifies you. Maybe what I could do, I don't know. I can refine it a bit, but so it probably is doing it more than requested, but yeah, it kind of works. Why there is a crystal on top of that? Who placed the crystal there? A physics lesser emerald crystal. Anyway, if you reach the city, if you reach the new city, let me know. Post a screenshot. It is like northwest. Follow the roads, search it. I've always wondered that. I don't know, is someone dropped it? Is it pick upable? No, it's not pick upable. So you cannot pick it up. I don't know who dropped it, but someone dropped it. I mean, it must be a GM, because maybe it was for an event or something. Maybe there was an event where Wadjet like decided to hide an item here, and then he completely forgot, and now it's there. I don't know. Okay, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Enjoy the new release. And tomorrow we will start to work on the next release. Let's go. I think I may have locked it down by accident. You see? You see? There are NPC moving now. Look at that. I fixed it. They were not moving since very, very long time. Well, very long time. Yeah, a few months. Now they're moving again. This should fix also a number of other problems that we had. Yeah. It's always nice to look at this part of the city, because this part of the city is the oldest part of the city. So this, in particular, this part, right? So this steps and this floor is the first thing that we ever created in PlaneShift. So we started from this. This was the first mesh. So it's always nice to look at this plaza and say, oh, it's there since a long time. Okay, bye bye. See you. Bye.